Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's look at some more Stream API interview question. We are going to find the intersection of two lists using Java streams. Okay, so the first list contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the other list contains 3, 5, 6, 7. So 3 and 5 are the common elements present in both, and that is what we need to print. So let's go. List of integer answer list1 dot stream. So we are making a stream of list1, and then we need to filter because we are just interested in the intersection part. Okay, so we'll be writing here list2 method reference, and we'll see methods here. We can use contains. Okay, so what is happening here is here we are filtering out from the stream only those elements which are present in list 2 also. Okay, and then we are just collecting it. Okay, let's run this. Yes. Okay, so this was a small program and I hope you understood this. So thank you so much for watching. Let's catch up in the next video.